Hello everyone, it's Jules and welcome to my home spring and summer refresh series. Next month will be exactly 1 year since we moved into this home, and I will be uploading videos as I decorate and upgrade my home. And although we have done a few upgrades, we're far from finished. So sit back and enjoy the show. And if this is the type of video that you enjoy, don't forget to like and comment. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. This is my old living room set. It is still beautiful, but I wanted a change. So I went to Value City, bought a new living room and dining room set, and also got a few pieces of furniture to replace those two white tables that are beside my fireplace. I purchased this shelving unit from Amazon. The company is called Fenlo, and the actual piece is called Fancy Plus Luxury Display. It has 5 shelves and it has lighting running up and down one of the sides. It is absolutely beautiful, and I will be leaving the link to this down below. And just as a word of caution, make sure that you count all of your materials, all of the hardware that you receive, so that you don't make a mistake in our building your project and then you have to take it apart to send it back. Had to call for reinforcements because being down on the floor was killing my back. Shelving units done. Now on to the next project. This pandemic was really hard on everyone, and we are grateful, truly grateful, that my husband was able to keep his job throughout the whole pandemic. Now, that being said, we want to be able to furnish our home and make it beautiful without breaking the bank, because we never know when something like that is going to happen again. So we went over to Value City and went on one of their sale days, got a living room set and a dining room set. But because of the pandemic, we couldn't get any deliveries for at least 2 months. So finally, the time has come, and my furniture, or at least my living room set, is being delivered today. And I want to give a shout out to the two gentlemen that delivered my furniture. I believe their names were Nick and Carlos. I'm truly sorry if I messed that up. I don't remember where I wrote it down on, and I couldn't find the paper. But they did an awesome job. They put my whole living room set together, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And guys, I have been getting a serious gold vibe. You know I love my bling and I love my silver and I love my chinoiserie, but I have been getting an awesome gold vibe, and I'm adding a few pieces of gold into my home decor. I absolutely love it, and I hope that you do too. After a few changes, this is what I came up with. Forgive the wiring. My husband will be putting them away as soon as he gets a chance. He's a very busy guy. When decorating, choose items that are going to have meaning or that are going to make you feel good when you look into your space. Take time to choose your color schemes and decorate with vignettes. You can do 1, 3, 5, 7, and as long as your color scheme is all in unison, you have a perfect space every time. We're so happy with how our living room came out. It's warm, it's inviting, and when we set our lights in the shelving unit to low, it gives an awesome ambionic glow. Once again, guys, don't forget to like and share. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to our community. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Bye for now, and please be safe.